In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop AliExpress emails. If your inbox keeps filling up with promotional messages, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn off marketing emails right from your account settings. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type AliExpress and review the results. You want the official site, which should clearly show the AliExpress name and a secure connection indicator in your browser. Avoid sponsored results that don't look like the official domain. Click the correct link to open the AliExpress homepage. Once you're on the homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. Depending on your screen size, you might see options like Account, Orders, or a profile icon. If things look cramped, maximize your window so the full menu appears. Next, click the Sign In button. If you're not already signed in, use your usual login method to access your account. Take a moment to make sure you're on a secure connection before entering any details. After you've signed in, you'll return to your account area or the home page. Now, hover over Account in the top right corner again and open your account page. On the left-hand sidebar, look for a section labeled Settings and click it. This sidebar is where AliExpress groups most of your profile and notification options, so it's the right place to manage email preferences. Inside Settings, look for a section related to email subscription. The wording may be email subscription or similar. Click on Subscription Settings to open the page that controls what kinds of messages you receive. This page typically separates marketing or promotional emails from essential account and order updates. On the subscription page, find the control for marketing emails. Switch the status from Enable to Disable for marketing emails. This turns off promotional messages such as deals, recommendations, and newsletters while leaving important notifications like order confirmations, shipping updates, and security alerts untouched. Some interfaces save changes automatically. If you see a visual confirmation or the toggle remains in the disabled position, you're all set. That's it. You've adjusted your AliExpress email preferences so marketing emails stop arriving. Keep in mind, it can take a little time for these changes to propagate, so you might still see a message or two shortly after updating. If you return later, you can revisit the same settings page anytime to review or adjust your choices. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner inbox.